You've seen that there's a lot of stuff that you love to download directly into Instagram, videos, reels, and you don't know how to download this. There's a few methods of how you can actually get started. What you need to do is to select the video that you would like to download, which in my case should be this one, for example. So basically, what I need to do is to hit for this element that says show, that appears directly inside here, and sometimes you'll see a download button. You tap this and the video saves directly through your camera roll. So if this one is not available, this version includes an actual watermark, sometimes the creator handle. If this one actually doesn't work for you, what you need to do is to copy the real link, and like this, I will open a new tab. Now I wanted to go for Snap Insta. Snap Insta is a website where you can download your actual videos from Instagram. So what I need to do is to paste an actual valid URL of Instagram. So you want to do this with TikTok or with YouTube, for example. It doesn't work. It only works with Instagram. So as you can see, here's the actual video. So you want to choose the element that says download the actual video. I'm gonna close this element. The only thing that I don't love a lot about this place is that this has a lot of fake buttons. So you wanted to go look out for the blue one, because all of those elements are totally spam. So before you hit into save, make sure that the saved titles are exactly as the URL that you chose. So hit for the element that says save. I'm gonna head over for my my file element, and you can see that the video has now been successfully downloaded. Everything actually works just as the actual snapped Instagram reel that I have downloaded. There's a third method, which is adding an actual browser extension, but this only works for if you're using an actual computer. So you have, for example, the Turbo downloader. Basically, the Turbo downloader, what is gonna be here checking out is that when you go for adding directly here for Chrome, basically here I'm going to make sure that I go back into Instagram, I reload my page, and here through my extensions I wanted to make sure that this one has now this element that says for Instagram. So basically what we need to do is to make sure that this one has now the availability to download this actual file. So what I do is to just click directly inside the element folder, I select the download, and you're actually good to go. So to download for Instagram, and you're actually good to go. And there's another way of how I can do this, but in my case I want to do it so far is by actually paying for the Meta. Let's say I believe it is called the verification and blue check mark, because they have the availability to download almost any kind of elements inside there. But that's totally up to you if you wanted to pay for this or you wanted to go for the free version. Personally, I want to stick around with the Snap Instagram, which is much more faster. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.